What is the meaning of an upright versus inverted pentagram? Imagine a star with 5 points that holds a world of symbolism in its shape. The pentagram is a symbol that has been used for thousands of years, often enclosed in a circle. Its meaning changes depending on how it is turned. When you see an upright pentagram, with 1 point pointing straight up, it usually stands for harmony between spirit and matter. The top point represents spirit, which is considered the divine or the higher self. The other 4 points symbolize the 4 classical elements: air, fire, water, and earth. This arrangement shows that spirit rules over the physical world, emphasizing balance and spiritual growth. It has been used as a protective symbol in many traditions, including Wicca and other forms of white magic. People see it as a sign of wisdom, divine connection, and protection from negative energies. Now, when the pentagram is flipped upside down, with 2 points facing up and 1 pointing downward, it takes on a different meaning. This inverted shape is often linked to the idea that matter or physical desires are dominating the spirit. Some interpret it as a symbol of rebellion or chaos. Historically, occultists like Eliphas Levi described it as a sign of black magic or evil, representing the triumph of materiality over spirituality. In popular culture, it has been associated with darker themes, sometimes linked to Satanism or anti-establishment beliefs. However, it is important to understand that not everyone sees the inverted pentagram as evil. Some traditions, like those followed by Aleister Crowley, view it as a symbol of the descent of spirit into matter. They see it as a process of immersion or grounding rather than a negative force. In some societies, the inverted pentagram is used in positive ways. For example, the Order of the Eastern Star uses it with meanings that are unrelated to evil, focusing instead on spiritual lessons and moral virtues. The key is context. The upright pentagram often symbolizes protection, spiritual order, and harmony among the elements. The inverted version can symbolize the opposite, an emphasis on the physical or worldly aspects, or a challenge to traditional spiritual values. Both shapes carry layered meanings shaped by history, culture, and personal beliefs. Understanding these differences helps us see how symbols evolve and how they can be interpreted in many ways depending on the tradition or perspective.